Hey everyone, now I will show you how you can improve your Photoshop performance. So when you're in Photoshop, you can just go to Edit, all the way down to Preferences, and then go to Performance. And when you're here, you can just customize or adjust this bar. This is basically the amount of RAM that it will use to run Photoshop. So for me, I'm just gonna turn it up into 80% or 80, I guess 85% is good. And this will use 7.2 gigabytes of your RAM. So as you can see, it is available 8.5 gigabytes, and you can just turn this up so you can have a better performance. And you can just click OK, and there you go. Now your Photoshop should be more faster and better performance. So now you know how to improve your Photoshop, and if you guys have any questions, you can just leave down in the comments below and I'll try to answer all. Thanks for watching.